Hi, welcome to KF Center for Excellence Flight Simulator. I'm Charlotte, I'm a flight instructor. I'm going to show you how to get started and how to take off in our flight simulator. So here we are in a Cessna ready to go fly. So first thing first, let's look at our seating position. You have a handle over here that allows you to go closer or further. Make sure you reach the pedals. You're gonna put your feet on the pedals over here, heels on the floor and toes at the bottom of the pedals. If you press on the right, this will help you steer right. If you press left, your aircraft is gonna steer left. You can also use the top of the pedals. If you press right, it's gonna brake only on the right side and turn sharply to the right. Press only on the left, it's gonna brake on the left and sharply turn to the left. If you press both, your aircraft will come to a stop. Now, if you want to see different point of views, press behind the yoke over here, the little white button, and you see a different point of view, your whole aircraft from behind. And you can see over here, when I press the pedals, it is moving the rudder left and right. To bring it back, you have a little white button, and it brings you right into the flight deck. There's a lot of knobs and buttons, but we've set it up so you don't need to touch most of them. So all you need to really worry about for a Cessna is to have these forward, the red ones forward, and then we'll just need to move the throttle to add power. We're gonna remove the parking brake with this knob over here. Make sure the light is off. And we're gonna slowly move forward the throttle over here. As you advance it, you can hear the power coming in. You're gonna have to press a little bit on the right rudder to keep it centerline, advance it fully. Here we are, we're moving. Keep your hand on the throttle. Look at the airspeed over here until it reaches 50 and pull back on the yoke. Here you are, you're in the sky, you're flying.